Hi guys, good noon guys. What are you doing there guys?
Lingkod, nagpaabot oras.
Okay, they are sitting.
Jimboy!
They are sitting
Relax, Jimboy.
the cottage waiting for the time to consume their work or duty. Okay, this is now the accomplishment of the workers. Okay, they are putting hollow blocks side by side. Okay, they are putting hollow blocks side by side. Bong, what are you doing there, Bong?
Nagkuhan ko, sir.
Ah,
Kukuha rin kahoy para dadunahan dyan, sir.
do not mention.
Atos bay.
Do not mention that the Okay, they are putting now the hollow blocks side by side of the house building. Is engineer visit the building house today?
Oh, bisita dyan dyan eh.
Okay. Okay. Copy. Okay, this is now the
Magumpag kitang naw, mauna lagi kanumpang. Agbata rin insik na.
this is now the result of the building house today. Their accomplishment, and the workers are sitting because they are waiting their time to resume their duty, their functions and responsibilities to build a house building. Okay, the materials, the gravel, the sand, and the cottage. Once again, thank you for watching. God bless us all.